Hello everybody, welcome to Apogee Locomotive Works. Today I am here to showcase our new line of Brill Interurban side frames. So, let's take a look.
ALW's new line of Brill side frames consists of 4 truck variants: the Brill Diamond Archbar motor truck, the Brill cast steel motor truck, the Brill No. 27 MCB high-speed interurban truck, and the Brill No. 27-F high-speed interurban truck. All side frames are designed to fit on the Bachmann 44 and 70-tonner trucks, but plans are in motion to add an alternate mount version for Northwest Shoreline Stanton drives. The first side frame designed to showcase is the Brill Diamond Archbar motor truck. This design was commonly used on interurban box motors and maintenance away equipment. Some steeple cabs and other electric locomotives have been photographed with these trucks. ALW's side frames are accurately detailed based on the original drawings and manufacturer's photos, and feature microscopic details down to the individual bolts and springs. Despite their microscopic detail and thin, bar construction, they are durable enough to last a lifetime on any electric freight model. Side frame number 2 is not actually 2, but instead a Brill No. 27-F high-speed interurban truck. The Brill 27-F was a full-size high-speed interurban variant of the common 27-F short wheelbase truck, used on double-truck city cars, and was a common truck seen in many historical photos of Brill interurban cars. The side frames ALW produces are designed from original manufacturer's photos and drawings, and feature accurate detail thanks to 4K in-house 3D printing using up-to-date equipment. The third side frame is another high-speed interurban truck, a Brill No. 27 MCB high-speed interurban truck. The Brill MCB high-speed interurban trucks were built to the Master Car Builders Association standards, and were the second most common design for Brill interurban equipment. ALW's side frames are once again designed from the original manufacturer's photos and drawings, and look great on a Bachmann 44 and 70-tonner truck. The last side frame design is the Brill No. 23 cast steel motor truck. This one was the most difficult to find information of outside of my book. All I really know is that Brill manufactured them for self-propelled interurban cars, of what designation I know not. But in ALW's quest to bring them odd and unique prototypes into model railroading, why not produce them? Someone out there probably knows what they are, and hey, now they're in HO scale. Despite not knowing too much about them, they are still designed based off original manufacturer's photos and display a high standard of quality detail. They look great on electric models and fit flawlessly on the Bachmann 44 and 70-ton trucks. Despite my box cab being a GE unit, for example, I really like these Brill cast steel trucks and the Diamond Archbar trucks, and I probably will continue using them on my model.
So, there you have it. Those are the Brill side frames for the Bachmann 44 and 70-tonners. Don't expect me to stop there, expect me to be producing Baldwin Westinghouse trucks. I'll be producing American Car Foundry Co. trucks, Taylor Electric Truck Company trucks. I'll be making a bunch of these, and they're not just gonna fit on this 44 tonners and the 70 tonners. No, they're gonna fit on, I'm gonna make versions of these that fit on Northwest Shoreline Stanton drives and a bunch of other stuff in the near future. These will have a list of different ways to mount them. You want to mount it on something, I'll have a mount for it eventually when I get Apogee Locomotive Works really going, which is going to be pretty soon. I also have these that I have yet to release as of this video's date. These lovely little extended pantograph racks, and I'm going to be making a few other versions of them. I'm going to be making some with the insulators up top and a few others. And actually, to be honest, these are a bit more structurally sound than the other ones, because I have that extra support. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to take a look at these nice little side frames and a bunch of our other details, go ahead, take a look at apogeelocoworks.com. There you'll also see links to all my social media accounts for Apogee Locomotive Works, and share this with your fellow modelers and just other people who find it interesting. Hopefully we'll be able to release a bunch of new stuff in the near future, and everything's gonna be awesome. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Okay, that's frickin' clever. A magnetic track brake. That's genius! Look at it, that's awesome!